All right, guys, welcome back. So we're going to look at this compare in order assignment. So we've been doing this for a day or two. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're able to use your calculator. Clear your calculator out and make sure you set it right here. All right, the first thing I want you to do, this is a star released question. These three questions are star released. So at this point, you should be able to do star release questions. Now you're going to be assessed. You're going to be assessed on your next assessment. You're going to see questions just like this. Normally, no more than 4 should you have to order. You should see 4 non-standard numbers. That's the first giveaway. This is about ordering numbers and not about volume and surface area and not about equations, not about all that other stuff you're going to learn. This is about ordering these 4 simple numbers. If I look at the question, the sentence with the question mark, first thing you should see is it says least to greatest. You don't need anything else. I don't care if they give you a whole paragraph up here about how Sally went to Tom Thumb. We don't care. All you care about is what are you trying to answer in this question, least to greatest, greatest to least, and what are these 4 numbers? The next thing I want you to notice every time is that you have answer choices. You see you have answer choices. They're in a specific order. Your new question types might have you take these and drag the numbers around. That's fine. You can do that as well. But here's a multiple choice answer is going to give you the answers in a specific order. Okay? If I create a number line, let's write what I write. If I create a number line like this, all right, and I know I'm going to list these 4 numbers, least on the left and greatest on the right. Let me ask you a question. If I start with least and I have some negative numbers, my negative numbers are going to be furthest left, correct? All right, so if I look at my answer choices and I know the question's asking me from least to greatest and I have negative numbers, are there any one of these answer choices that you can get rid of?
D.
D, why?
Because it's not negative.
Yeah, you have a positive right there. I want you to X out the reason that you're getting rid of D because we're gonna grade this part tomorrow. Make sure you tell me why you got rid of the specific answer choice that you're getting rid of. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of D because of the 58%. We already know it's positive. All right. The next thing we got to do is we got to get the standard form for each one of these. So I'm going to put the standard form for that right there. I'm going to mark these off as I relist them right here. 58%. I'm going to get them vertically. 5.9 and 5.78. I want you to write what I write. Okay. Do we need to do anything to 5.78?
No.
It's already in standard form, so I can write it out here. Do we need to do anything to negative 5.9? No, the only thing that I would ask you to do is add a 0 so we get it to the hundredths place value. All right. What about 58%? We got to do something to 58%. Now you don't have a percent button on your calculator, so we got to divide it by what? You got to divide this by 100. Remember, my key reminder is that this percent makes a 100. The 1 and 2 zeros. That's the reminder to take 58 and divide it by 100. What'd y'all get?
0.58.
There you go. 0.58. That's the standard form for 58%. And then for negative 23 divided by 4, I'm going to take 23 divided by 4. Page right. I'm going to go ahead and hit math decimal. We should be getting quicker at this. Remember, this is a negative when I get it. Negative 5.75. All right, I've got to order these circle ones. These are my standard form. Let's get them in order. Which which number is going to go furthest on the left?
Negative 5.75.
Nope. Because negative 5.9.
Negative 5.9.
Yes, right. There you go. Negative 5.90 is the biggest of the negative numbers, so that goes farthest to the left.
Yes.
So let's stop right there. Let's look at our answer choices. We already can eliminate another answer choice. Which one? B, because this guy, that's not right. You with me?
Yeah.
So now we're down to 2. If you're looking at your answer choices, you've already eliminated this. We know that the next one, first of all, I'm going to write the non-standard on top. So this came in negative 5.90. My next number, negative 23 divided by 4 has to be because my 2 remaining answer choices have it next, and it's a negative number. Negative 5.75. Now I'm going to have 2 more numbers. I got rid of this guy. I got rid of my negatives. I only have 0.58 and 0.578. Which is greater, 58%? 58 cents or $5.78.
$5.78.
Yeah, that's going to go way down here, and my 0.58 is going to go here.
C.
Absolutely, it's C. I'm going to get rid of A. You remember you're being graded based on this, so make sure you tell me why you get rid of the one you got rid of. Circle the correct answer, and show me on your number line the non-standard order. The non-standard order for each one. The original form goes on top. Okay, you can put a box around the original forms, correct order on the number line. All right, so these are the things I'm looking for. Tell me why you got rid of each answer choice. Make sure you have a number line in order to get your stamp. You only have 2 more questions to go. Raise your hand if you have any questions, and I'll come around and help you. Good job.